children's creativity, brain science. How do birds fly?
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Every morning, people wake up to the sound of Coco's daddy singing.
Coco, when you grow up, you'll sing a great song just like me.
Daddy said to Coco.
Daddy, I don't really want to sing.
What do you mean? Oh, you're just too young to understand.
Am I really too young to understand what Daddy's saying?
It was a breezy day. A sparrow flying by saw Coco drinking water and fluttered down to sit across him.
I wish I could fly just like you,
Coco exclaimed.
Well, you have wings too. Why can't you fly?
The sparrow dropped his eyes primly and flew up to a tree as if to show off. Coco watched the sparrow with envy for some time.
I'm a bird. Maybe I can fly too.
Coco's heart beat fast in excitement. But Coco's friends thought differently about it.
We're baby chicks. When we grow up, we'll become roosters or hens. Chickens are not supposed to fly. But we have wings. See?
Coco flapped around his wings to show them.
It's no use. Just give up. But I want to fly,
Coco thought to himself. Sparrows have wings and baby chicks have wings. Then, why can sparrows fly while baby chicks can't? If these wings weren't meant to fly, then there's no use having them in the first place.
Well, it won't hurt to try. Let's see if I can fly or not.
Coco decided to try flying.
Hey, Coco. Why are you flapping your wings so hard?
A rooster who was famous for bluffing asked him.
To fly.
Well, indeed. The golden chicken once flew through the sky too.
The golden chicken?
Coco opened his eyes wide. The rooster began to tell him the story of the golden chicken.
This is a story from a long, long time ago when we chickens still were able to fly. There was a golden chicken that was said to be able to fly to the moon and back in the blink of an eye. All the birds in the world were envious of him. Even the eagles visited him and called him their mentor.
Wow, those scary eagles really did that?
Coco was excited to hear this.
It's not only the eagles, even the tigers and the lions, the kings of the animals, thought it was an honor to have the golden chicken's feather. But our hero, the golden chicken, at a young age,
What happened?
a fox tricked him and he died.
The rooster's face suddenly turned sad. But Coco felt a strong beating in his heart. He felt that he could fly just like the golden chicken.
Coco, you should visit Grandma Hen.
The grandmother hen?
The Grandma Hen knows everything. Maybe she knows how to fly.
Coco jumped up and down in joy when the rooster told him this.
Why didn't I think of that?
After saying goodbye to the rooster, Coco ran straight to Grandma Hen's house.
Grandma hen, I have a question. Why can't we fly?
To Coco's question, Grandma kindly replied,
We're not the only birds that can't fly. Penguins, ostriches, and kiwis are also birds, but they cannot fly neither. Why? Why can't they fly if they're birds?
Coco asked with his eyes shining.
That's because they can find food without having to fly. So they didn't fly for a long, long time. Then their wings stopped working. Then what can I do to fly?
The Grandma Hen drew a picture with her beak and explained in detail.
First, you have to be very light. If you're chubby and heavy, you'll never be able to fly. Second, you have to keep moving your wings while flying. To do that, your pectoral muscles have to be strong. You also have to control your direction with your tail feathers, just like the swallows.
Grandma Hen pointed at the swallows flying by.
The tail of a bird is like the steering wheel of a car. Coco, do you think you can fly?
Grandma Hen looked at Coco and asked,
Yes, I can. I'm going to fly just like the golden chicken did.
After visiting Grandma Hen, Coco trained harder and harder, regardless of the weather. Whether it was sunny, rainy, or windy, he practiced flying. Summer went by and autumn came. Coco grew up to be a strong rooster with a fancy crest. His slender, muscular body stood out from those of other chickens. After visiting Grandma Hen, Coco trained harder and harder, regardless of the weather. Whether it was sunny, rainy, or windy, he practiced flying. Summer went by and autumn came. Coco grew up to be a strong rooster with a fancy crest. His slender, muscular body stood out from those of other chickens. Coco soared through the sky. His friends couldn't keep their beaks shut. Would the golden chicken have felt the same way when he flew through the sky?
I feel great. Flying feels amazing.
Coco yelled up to the sky because he felt the golden chicken might be looking down at him. After that day, Coco earned the nickname Golden Chicken.